Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best table saw is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools in any woodworker's arsenal, and today we're diving deep into the Dewalt DWE7491RS, a portable powerhouse that promises precision, power, and portability for both DIY enthusiasts and seasoned professionals alike. So if you're looking to elevate your woodworking game with a reliable and feature-rich table saw, stick around as we break down everything you need to know about this popular model. Number 5. Dewalt 8 to 14 inches. Compact Jobsite Table Saw, DWE7485. Effortlessly rip 4x8 plywood or OSB sheets with an impressive 24.5 inches of rip capacity. This tool makes large material cuts manageable. Take your workshop anywhere with its compact size, designed for easy transportation and storage. It fits conveniently wherever you need it. Achieve quick, smooth, and precise fence adjustments with the rack and pinion telescoping fence rails. Setting up for your cuts has never been easier. Keep all your essential accessories close at hand. It features onboard storage for the guard, fence, wrenches, and miter gauge, so nothing gets lost. Built to withstand tough job site conditions, its metal roll cage base ensures lasting durability. You can rely on it for demanding tasks. Easily adjust the guarding without the need for tools, thanks to the Site Pro modular guarding system. Safety and convenience are prioritized. Work with peace of mind with its power loss reset feature. This prevents accidental restarts after a power disruption, keeping you safe. What we like. This saw offers a compact design for easy transport. If you need a portable solution for smaller jobs or frequent site changes, this is a great choice. Its metal roll cage ensures durability on tough job sites. What people say. The 15-amp motor cuts through hardwood like butter, and the compact size makes it perfect for job sites or small shops. The rack and pinion fence adjustment is buttery smooth and incredibly accurate. Very well built and solid with no shakes or rattles. The fence, flip-down support, is a very nice touch to help keep whatever it is you are running through in a full rip level with the table surface. The way the whole thing packs up into a compact footprint is another feature I like, and it barely takes up any more room than any of my wife's tools. You can pretty much pack up the whole saw at the end of the day in about 2 minutes. Number 4. Dewalt 10-inch Table Saw with Rolling Stand, DWE7491RS. Experience the power of a 15-amp motor that easily tackles hardwoods. Its innovative rack and pinion system ensures fast, smooth, and accurate fence adjustments every time. Cut a wide range of materials with a 32 to 12-inch rip capacity, perfect for larger shelving and trim. It also features a patented material support for precise narrow rip cuts. Keep all your essential accessories within reach. The onboard storage system provides easy access to the blade guard, fence, and other tools when you need them. The rolling stand is designed for quick setup and breakdown, offering excellent stability. Its telescoping fence rails retract for a compact and portable package. Maintain a clean workspace with the 2 to 12-inch dust collection port. It easily connects to a vacuum for efficient dust extraction. Achieve narrow rip cuts with the versatile flip-over ripping fence. This feature enhances its adaptability for various project needs. What we like. Experience superior cutting power and capacity with this model. If you frequently work with larger materials or need to rip through hardwoods efficiently, its 32 to 12-inch capacity and robust motor are ideal. The integrated rolling stand makes setup and breakdown a breeze. What people say. Very durable and convenient to transport with wheels. Very straightforward to operate. Easy to adjust to make perfect cut each time. The safety features, the build quality, and the fence system were important to me. It is solid and easily packs up for storage. The Dewalt table saw is highly regarded in professional publications and in reviews. The saw arrived in a heavy backbreaking box. All contents were packed safely and I noted no damage, aside from my back. The saw itself was largely assembled with only the fence to deal with, and that was easy. The stand is where you will spend most of your time during assembly. A nice touch is that the nuts and bolts come separated and labeled in plastic bags. The levers to fold the legs in and out are genius. Number 3. Dado throat plate for Dewalt DWE7491 Crafted from a high-impact PC-PBT blend, this accessory offers exceptional resistance to impact, heat, and chemicals. It's built to last and maintain stability through tough jobs. Designed as a replacement for specific 10-inch portable table saws, including Dewalt DWE7490 and DWE7491 models. Please verify compatibility with your saw model or specifications. Installing and removing this throat plate is a breeze. You can easily adjust it to the perfect height using the 4 included screws, featuring a familiar locking mechanism. This accessory provides a stable surface for your woodworking projects. It ensures a secure fit, enhancing both the precision and safety of your cuts. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues after receiving your order, please don't hesitate to contact us promptly. What we like. Enhance your cutting capabilities with this specialized throat plate. If you're looking to make dado cuts or need a more stable insert for precise work, this accessory is a perfect fit. Its durable construction ensures longevity and reliable performance. What people say. The fence is very sturdy and locks down tight, making it easy to get accurate cuts. The dust collection system is surprisingly effective, keeping the work area much cleaner than I expected. The table saw is very powerful and handles hardwoods with ease. Number 2. Replacement table saw brush, 4-pack. Ensure your table saw runs smoothly with these high-quality replacement brushes. This pack includes 4 brushes, designed for optimal performance and longevity. These brushes are engineered for a perfect fit with several popular table saw models. You can rely on them for a seamless installation and consistent operation. Crafted for durability, these brushes are built to withstand demanding use. They offer a reliable solution to keep your equipment in top working condition. Replacing your old brushes is straightforward with this compatible set. Get your table saw back to its peak performance quickly and efficiently. This convenient 4-pack provides excellent value, ensuring you have spares on hand. Keep your tools ready for any project without interruption. Specifically designed for models like DW745, DWE7480, DWE7490X, DWE7491RS, and DWE7499GD. They offer a direct and reliable replacement. What we like. Keep your tools running smoothly with this essential replacement part. If your saw's performance has diminished or you want to be prepared for maintenance, these brushes are a cost-effective solution. They are compatible with several popular models, ensuring broad usability. What people say. I love that product as other manufacturers claim to have the correct serial number from Dewalt, however this manufacturer is correct. I ordered one prior to this that was to wide 0.53 inches. This one is the 0.5 that you are looking for. Only takes 1 minute to replace for table saw. Works like new now. Repaired the issue with my table saw. Works like new now. Number 1. OEM 5140135-51 Replacement Table Saw Bevel Handle. Ensure your table saw is always in top condition with this genuine OEM replacement part. It's designed for optimal performance and durability. This is a direct replacement bevel handle, specifically designed to fit your table saw. It's part number 5140135-51 for easy identification. This part is compatible with several popular models, including DWE7490X, DWE7491RS, and DWE7499GD. Check your model number to ensure a perfect fit. Measuring approximately 5.65 by 1.85 by 1.35 inches, this handle is designed for a precise fit. Its compact size ensures it won't interfere with your work. Easily restore the full functionality of your table saw with this essential replacement part. It's built to last and provide reliable operation. What we like. Restore your saw's functionality with this genuine OEM replacement part. If your bevel handle is damaged or missing, this ensures a perfect fit and reliable operation. It's the ideal choice for maintaining the integrity and performance of your specific table saw model. What people say. This fit my Dewalt 7491RS table saw better than the original part. There was a bit of play in the original which I think led to wear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.